And then we need to tie our hair. My hair, not ours, just my hair. I will just tie my hair, alright? So, anyways. Oh, I need comb. I'll be back. Alright, so we need comb. I need comb. Okay, so let's do it like this. Comb it. Just like so. Okay. I braid my hair, guys, so that's why it is not straight, as you can see. Okay, so this is how long my hair is. But anyway, I have to tie it. You have to tie it like this. Can you see? Okay. Can you see it, guys? Okay, so this is how long my hair is. Alright, so I need to cut this like this. I want to remove this part here. Okay, so to do that, I will tie this part here. This part here, okay? Okay, I just want to trim it like this. So, bear with me! Okay. Alright, so this is it. We have to make our hair straight. So, no regrets. No regrets, guys. No regrets after doing so. Okay? So, this is it, guys. Okay. So I will remove this part here. Okay. This is it, guys. This is it. Oh my goodness. Maybe I have to cut it somewhere here. But anyways, no regrets. Ah, my hair. Okay, I will just collecting this hair. I have my hair. So I cut my hair. This is now my hair looks like. Okay, so alright. So just trim it. Okay, I guess it's okay. I need the garbage in front of me. This is how easy, guys, to cut your hair. Okay? No need to pay dollars. Mucho dinero. Mucho dinero to go to the parlor. So let us see. My hair is short now. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness, my hair is so short.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I got it so short. Oh my goodness. But anyways, yeah, this is how my hair looks like. Layer. It is layer, guys. Okay?
Alright guys, so I'm still in my bathroom and I just changed my clothes, my shirt, my blouse because I was wearing black and you can see how the style I made into my hair. Alright, so this is it guys, so this is it. This is layered. This is layered cut of haircut. Layered haircut. DIY, alright. So I can style my hair like this. Oh my goodness. Alright, I can style my hair like this. Or like this. Or cut it in the center. Alright, so there you go. Layered cut. DIY. Okay. So this is it guys. This is how it looks like. I cut my hair because it's too long for me and I don't want to spend a dollar or any amount, because especially here in the US guys, let me tell you, it's very expensive. Even if you just even if you just go for just to cut your hair, oh my goodness, it's so expensive. For me, it's so expensive just to cut your hair, and you will spend like $60. Oh my goodness, you can already have a rebond in that amount in the Philippines, so well, anyway, so I'm just showing you guys the style I made for my hair. So layered, alright. Thank you.
Bye guys, see you in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Stay safe and spread the good vibes. Give your big smile to the universe. Alright, so
Bye. Bye for now. Mwah. Alright, so this is it guys. This is the finished product of DIY, cutting my own hair. Okay, it was gastos. Alright, so it is layered cut, layer cut,